Greetings, cosmic explorers, and welcome to the Galaxial Wi-Fi channel, your interstellar hub for exploring the mysteries of the universe and beyond. Today, we venture into a profound topic that has fascinated humanity for centuries, the concept of the end times. From the Catholic perspective, the end times is often referred to as eschatology, a branch of theology that contemplates the final events in the history of the world or of humankind. It encompasses various topics such as death, judgment, heaven and hell. The Catholic Church teaches that no man knows the hour or the day of the end, but it will be preceded by signs. These signs include the coming of the Antichrist, an increase in sin, and a great tribulation. The Catholic Church also believes in the second coming of Christ, where Jesus will return to judge the living and the dead. This belief in the resurrection of the body and life everlasting is a cornerstone of Catholic faith, and is professed every week in the Nicene Creed. Now let's shift our focus to the Islamic perspective. In Islam, the end times is known as Qiyamah, or the Day of Judgment. Here, every individual will be held accountable for their deeds. Similar to the Catholic belief, Islam also foresees signs that will precede Qiyamah. These signs are broadly categorized into minor and major signs. The minor signs include moral decay, widespread injustice, and turmoil. The major signs include the appearance of the Dajjal, or the Islamic Antichrist, the return of Jesus, and the rising of the sun from the west. Muslims believe that on this day, the Book of Deeds will be opened, and each soul will be judged by Allah, the most merciful and the most just. Also, let's delve into the Jewish perspective. In Judaism, the end times is referred to as the Akarit Hayamim, or the end of days. Unlike the Catholic and Islamic views, Jewish eschatology does not heavily emphasize judgment or punishment. Instead, it focuses on the coming of the Jewish Messiah, a time of global peace and understanding, and the resurrection of the righteous. The Jewish tradition also talks about the ingathering of the exiles, where all Jews will return to the land of Israel. Moreover, the rebuilding of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem is a crucial part of Jewish eschatology. In summary, while the Catholic, Islamic and Jewish perspectives on the end times have their unique beliefs and interpretations, they share common threads. All three religions foresee signs that will precede the end, anticipate a form of judgment or accountability, and hold a profound belief in the eventual victory of goodness and righteousness. Remember, these narratives serve not as a source of fear, but as a reminder of the transient nature of our existence and the eternal values of goodness, justice and peace. So as we journey through the cosmos of life, let's strive to leave a trail of kindness, understanding and love. Let's now delve into a realm of speculative fiction and consider a perspective where God is an alien entity. In this intriguing scenario, the end times could be perceived not as a catastrophic finale, but as a cosmic event, orchestrated by an advanced alien civilization. The signs that would herald the end might not be natural disasters or divine revelations, but rather inexplicable celestial phenomena, sudden leaps in technology, or a global shift in consciousness. The Judgment Day, in this context, might not be a day of divine wrath, but a collective evaluation of our species' maturity, ethical evolution, and readiness to join a galactic community. This judgment would be based not on religious adherence, but on our capacity for peace, empathy, and universal respect. In this speculative scenario, the end times could signify not an end, but a new beginning for humanity. A paradigm shift from being mere inhabitants of Earth to becoming active, responsible members of a larger cosmic family. In summary, whether it's the Catholic, Islamic, Jewish perspectives or even the speculative alien God perspective, the end times narratives share common threads. Each of these perspectives foresee signs that will precede the end, a form of judgment or accountability, and a profound belief in the eventual victory of goodness and righteousness. Even the alien God perspective, which might seem far-fetched to some, echoes this sentiment. It suggests that our judgment would be based on our capacity for peace, empathy, and universal respect, values that are universally lauded across all religions and cultures. So, regardless of how different these narratives might seem on the surface, at their core, they all serve as a reminder of the transient nature of our existence and the eternal values of goodness, justice, and peace. These narratives are not meant to incite fear, but rather, they encourage introspection, ethical living, and a broader perspective on our place in the universe. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content, right here on Galaxial Wi-Fi.